What's up guys, it's SEEBIEDEEBIE here, and today we're going to be doing some beginner instant pot sweet potatoes. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make a whole thing of sweet potatoes in my instant pot. Alright, so I got my Instant Pot plugged in here. I have a cup of water right here. I'm going to pour that in. And then I'm going to put my basket here in there. And I usually don't use this basket. I usually use my sling, but my sling is occupied right now. So I'm going to put in a whole bunch of sweet potatoes. And these are just like, these are pretty small. I usually buy small sweet potatoes because I like the small ones. They're less stringy. I'm going to put, I think I'm going to put this whole bag in here, which is, how many is that? About 6, 7. And we're going to cook them all. So we're going to go ahead and put the lid on there, seal it up. All right, and I usually do 30 minutes. It's already at 30 minutes, so I usually do 30 minutes at normal and high pressure, and I'll see you guys in about 30 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and release the pressure. Okay, let's open it. And there they are. There's the beauties. I always like to do a test though. It's called the butter knife test. So I take this butter knife and I like to poke right through the sweet potato. And if it goes right through the sweet potato, then it's good. So all these sweet potatoes, they are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and go ahead and make yourself a whole pot of sweet potatoes. Bye.